In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up dependencies in Monday.com. This is a fantastic way to manage your projects more effectively, ensuring that tasks are completed in the right order and that everyone on the team knows what needs to be done and when. To get started, make your way to Monday.com. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and entering Monday.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in to your account. Click on the Login button. For those already integrated with Google accounts, there's a handy shortcut. Just click the Google Sign In button. This will allow you to choose the Google account that's linked to Monday.com. After you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. From here, navigate to your board using the left panel. This is where all the action happens. Once you open your board, you should see your tables laid out with tasks and other details. Click on the table you wish to edit. This will bring you into a more detailed view of your current project setup. Next, to configure your dependencies, look towards the far right of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click it. This will let you add a new column. A search bar will appear, inviting you to type in the type of column you want. Here, simply type dependency. Once that is entered, you should see an option for dependency appear. Click it. Now you're in the home stretch. After you've added the dependency column, you'll need to configure it to suit your needs. At this stage, choose your dependency mode. This approach lets you decide how tasks are linked together, ensuring that once a particular task is completed, the next one kicks off smoothly. Once your dependency mode is chosen, don't forget to specify which column will house your item dependencies. This is crucial because it ensures that your project information is clean and easy to follow for everyone involved. If your current setup doesn't have a specific column you want to use, you might need to circle back and create one. With everything set up, the last step is straightforward. Click on Save. This final click solidifies all your choices and ensures that the settings are active. Now, your board should be updated, showing those dependencies ready to help keep your project on track. And there you have it. You've successfully set up task dependencies in Monday.com, essentially setting the stage for smoother, more organized team collaborations. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can significantly enhance how you manage projects and timelines. Thanks for following along, and keep exploring to see what else Monday.com can do for you.